Once upon a time, in a remote mountain village, there lived an elderly sage known as Master Li. The villagers revered him for his wisdom, and people from distant lands often traveled to seek his counsel. A young and curious villager named Mei approached Master Li with a question. Mei asked, "Master Li, what is the key to attaining true wisdom?" Master Li, with a warm smile, invited Mei on a walk to a nearby waterfall. As they stood beside the roaring cascade of water, Master Li said, "Do you hear the sound of the water, Mei?" Mei nodded and replied, "Yes, Master Li. It's a powerful and constant sound." Master Li continued, "Indeed, Mei, wisdom is like this waterfall. It flows continuously, unceasingly, and its source is deep within. To attain wisdom, one must first learn to listen, just as you listen to the waterfall." Mei frowned, slightly puzzled. How do we listen to wisdom? How can we access its source? The sage smiled again and said, "Close your eyes, Mei, and listen to your breath." Mei did as instructed and began to focus on her breath. In the midst of the rushing waterfall's sound, she became aware of her own steady inhalations and exhalations. Master Li continued, "You see, wisdom resides within you, just as the source of this waterfall is hidden deep within the mountains. To access wisdom, you must quiet the external distractions and listen to your inner self." Mei felt a sense of clarity washing over her as she listened to her breath amidst the waterfall's roar. She understood that wisdom was not something to be sought externally, but discovered within one's own being. Master Li concluded, "Wisdom, like the waterfall, is always there. But to experience it fully, you must cultivate inner stillness, patience, and a willingness to listen. As you become attuned to your inner self, the water will flow naturally, guiding your actions and decisions." From that day forward, Mei practiced the art of listening within herself, and she discovered that true wisdom indeed resided deep within her own heart. The moral of the story reminds us that wisdom is not an external treasure to be hunted, but an internal wellspring that can be accessed through self-awareness and stillness. The end. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to Klim Tales. See you, and be well.